In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate interest rate in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and go to the worksheet where you want to do the calculation. Before entering the formula, make sure your values are already set up clearly in the sheet. You'll need a principal amount and an interest amount. For example, if your principal is 1,000 and the interest is 50, Excel can quickly calculate the interest rate for you using a simple formula. Once your numbers are in place, click on an empty cell where you want the interest rate result to appear. This is where Excel will display the answer. In that cell, type an equal sign, then click the cell that contains the interest amount, type a /, and then click the cell that contains the principal amount. In other words, you are dividing the interest by the principal. This gives you the rate in decimal form. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately calculate the result. If you're using the example of 50 divided by 1,000, the result will appear as 0.05. That decimal is the interest rate, but in many cases, it's easier to read it as a percentage instead of a decimal. To change the result into percentage format, go to the Home tab and click Format. This will open a panel on the right side. In that panel, make sure you are on the Number tab. There you'll see a drop-down field for number formatting. Click that drop-down and select percentage. As soon as you do that, the decimal value will be displayed as a percentage. So 0.05 will now show as 5%. This formatting step is important because it makes the result much more understandable at a glance. The calculation itself stays the same. Only the way it is displayed changes. So, if Excel shows a decimal first, don't worry. That's completely normal. And that's it. You've successfully calculated the interest rate in Microsoft Excel using a basic division formula and then converted the result into percentage format for easier reading. This is a quick and practical method that works well whenever you already know the principal amount and the interest earned or charged.